Today I have top 5 digital product ideas that you can easily create and sell using AI tools. These products can earn over $10,000 per month. So let's move to our first product, that is printable coloring pages. There are many types of coloring pages that sell on marketplaces like Etsy and Creative Market. You can sell coloring pages for kids. This shop sells coloring pages and has made over 1,800 sales. So how we will use AI for creating similar products within minimum time. First, go to ChatGPT and log into your account. Type list some ideas for kids coloring pages and it's giving me a lot of amazing ideas. Pick a great idea and go to Midjourney to create images. It's an AI program that will generate images based on the text you type. Write children's animal coloring pages and as a result it generated these detailed images which you can easily sell online. Moving on to the next idea, that is printable wall art. Printable wall art is highly searched item on Etsy. This shop has made over 16,000 sales by selling printable wall art, and they offer a lot of landscape printable wall art. Now to create a printable like this, go to Kittl.com and type the text in the box and select an image style to generate an AI image from the text. Now the image is generated and you can edit it according to your requirements. You can download it with free available credits and also can have a subscription plan. Next idea I have is digital paper. There are many styles in digital papers and patterns that are being offered by many shops. This shop has already made over 76,000 sales and it's offering a huge collection of digital papers. For making digital papers, again go to Kittl and type your text and select image style. It generated a beautiful floral pattern for digital paper. Next product that we are going to discuss is clip art. Clip art is usually offered in packages and bundles that buyers can use in their personal projects. I found this shop here that is selling clip art and has made over 17,000 sales. For clip art we will again use Kittl. Type your text and select clip art style. You can see that it generated a beautiful clip art of Easter eggs. Our last product idea is checklists. Checklists are most selling item on Etsy. Pick a specific niche and create checklist for it. Here I will create checklist for wedding event. Go to ChatGPT and type list all items for wedding checklist and it will generate a list of ideas. Now go to Canva to design a checklist template and include all these ideas into the checklist. You can download this checklist and can easily sell on Etsy. So we discussed some great ideas to create digital products using AI tools and sell online. Thanks for watching.